Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, usability, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer offers a larger capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the WonderWash has a capacity of around 5 pounds, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. If you often find yourself washing larger quantities of laundry, the BLACK+DECKER may be the better choice for you. Price is another significant factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Washer is priced at $249, reflecting its advanced features and electric operation. On the other hand, the WonderWash is much more affordable at just $55, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. However, keep in mind that the lower price comes with limitations in capacity and functionality. The operation type is a crucial difference between these two machines. The BLACK+DECKER is an electric washer that offers multiple wash cycles and convenience, while the WonderWash is a manual machine that requires physical effort to operate. If you prefer a hands-off approach to laundry, the BLACK+DECKER would be the better option. However, if you enjoy a more hands-on experience or need something portable without the need for electricity, the WonderWash could be your pick. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and WonderWash have their unique advantages and disadvantages. If you need a more powerful, automatic solution and are willing to invest more, the BLACK+DECKER is a great choice. However, if you are looking for a budget-friendly, portable option for smaller loads, the WonderWash is an excellent alternative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.